In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Welcome back, my student, to our lesson. Just to continue in the same procedures that the Ministry of Education applied recently. So let's get for the lesson of today. Today we're going to talk about the relative pronouns or the relative clauses. What are they and what are their tools to join between the two situations or two sentences? Okay, relative pronouns used to identify nouns or join two sentences. Okay, so I'm going to head to something else. What are the tools that come in use with the relative pronouns beside that? Okay, number one, who and which and where and when. So who, it is belong to the persons when I want to talk about the persons, which when I talk about sold things, and also where for the place, and when also for the time. Some of the linguistics add that which are capable used or can be used with the which and who. Let's take more examples for this. Teacher is a person, so who teach a student, and this is related to that one. Key is a tool, which is thing. Key is a thing which we can unlock the doors. Classroom is a place where a student can learn. So last one, which is when, I'm going to talk about the time. So it will be Ramadan is a month when Muslim fast. Okay, this is here regard to that one. If I have two situations, situation 1 and situation 2, I'm going to join the two sentences or identify one of them by using one of those tools, who, which, where, and when beside to that. Okay, there is another one which is join two sentences. Join two sentences. Look at this as B. This is here A and this is here B. Join two sentences. Look at to this example. The man was talking to some tourists. So what? He was friendly. So I'm going to join the two situations or two sentences using this one here, because I'm talking about a man. Man is a person, belong to the people, belong to the human. So I'm going to use one of them. Look at the join of the two sentences. The man who was talking to some tourists was friendly. So this is here the things which is belong to the relative pronouns. Let's head to the second one, which is past progressive tense. It's talking about two situations crossing each other in the past. Two situations crossing each other in the past. So now I'm going to learn the tools which I'm going to use, or the conjunction between the two situations, because I said here two situations. So I'm going to learn how many tools we have. We have actually 3: when and while and as. Okay, so I'm going to talk this time about the type of that belong to the past progressive tense. Two situations happened. This is here number 1. Actually, two situations happened in the past tense. That's why we're going to use one of those tools with them. Look at this. This is the matrix which you need to follow, or the grammar which you need to memorize to follow. Was, where, plus the verb, plus ing, comma, and simple past. This is here two situations happened in the past. Two situations happened in the past. So simple past, actually we have divided them before this time to regular and irregular verbs. So remember that, my student. Okay, look at this example. While they were talking, comma, the teacher entered the class. Entered here is simple past. And this is here the situation 1, which is consists of was or were, depending on the pronouns, plus the verb plus ing. While they were talking, that comma, the teacher entered the class. So, gentlemen, I have another tape. I can change this one here while to the to the middle of the sentence while it's in the front of the sentence or in the beginning of the sentence. Also, I can use one of those tools in the middle of the sentence. Then I will omit the comma. So look at this, the same situation. They were talking when the teacher entered the class. And this is here type A. Type B, description of the event's time. So actually, both of those situations have been on the same time in the past. So look at this. Was, were, with the verb with the ing, and this is here the rule with the verb with the ing. The second situation also was, were with the verb plus the verb plus ing, because they happened in the past on the same time. So remember this. Look at this. I'm going to talk about a waiter. He was taking the order while he was watching the TV. So two situations. Taking the order, this is the situation one, which event one, and the second event is he was watching TV. While he was watching TV, he was taking the order when he was watching the TV, or as he was watching the TV, comma, he was watching the TV or taking the order. So this is here regarding to the grammar of today. Let's head to the answer those exercise. Okay, look at this exercise. So we're going to have a variety of examples. Talking, actually we're going to use one of those items, which is who belong to all the examples. We want to identify who is the person. So look at example number one. Athletic person is someone who enjoys sports. Okay. Second example, talkative person is someone who talks a lot. Okay, who talks a lot or speaks a lot. So this is here possibly a D. Okay, efficient person is someone who does things well and quickly. Rude person isn't polite. Is a person or someone who isn't polite. A clever person is someone who is intelligent. A fashionable person is someone who dresses well, which is C. A funny person is someone who makes you laugh. A last one, which is number 8, friendly person is someone. Funny person, okay, funny person is someone makes you laugh. A last one, friendly person is someone likes to be with the others. Okay, this is here regarding to the identify the first part of the sentence. Who is the athletic person? Who is the talkative, efficient, rude person, clever, fashionable, funny, friendly? This is here identify those examples. Okay, let's say to question B. Complete the sentences. We're going to complete the situation 2. Look at the situation. First situation. We were waiting for the bus. Okay, great. So when we saw Ali, this is here saw the first kind, but which is the simple past tense, and this is here irregular. So this is here irregular verb. Okay, I was crossing the street when the taxi stopped. Okay, this is here also a regular verb belong to the simple past. Okay, they were sitting in the cafe when I opened the window. So this is also here regular verb, which is opened. The second one, Adnan was buying ice cream when they met him. A last one, they were sleeping when the thief grabbed your bag. Okay, when the thief grabbed the bag or your bag. Okay, this is here, gentlemen. This is here the whole lesson for the relative clauses beside the present, the past progressive tense. I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you understand that one. So I'm going to meet you in the next session. Thank you so much for listening this time. If you have any comment, if you have anything else, you can share that with me through my direct email or through the stage which belongs to the Ministry of Education, which we're going to represent our lesson there. Thank you so much. I hope everybody understood this lesson. I'm going to see you again in another one. Thank you so much for listening.